Hi everyone, welcome to Factory Excel. Today we going to learn how to get rid the green color error triangle. Error triangle may come from three type of situation. There are number 1 formula error, typo error. Second, inconsistent formula, the formulae are not consistent with other line. Number 3, the formulae are correct, as we need to have different formulae. Excel will spot the error type, for this case is inconsistent formula. To solve this error, simply change the formula will do. The alternative way is go to change the color of the error triangle provided the formula are correct. Change the color to white. Let we check if in preview mode, will the white color error sign be seen. Also not see in the printed preview mode. Change back to green color triangle if we can see the error exists.